Hi, I'm Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to install the WPRentals theme. The WPRentals theme can be used to create a booking site, and you can purchase it from ThemeForest. Before installing the theme, you need to choose a hosting company. We recommend to use a hosting dedicated for WordPress. You will need to purchase a domain and make sure that you have WordPress installed on that domain. Once you set your new domain on your new server, you will need to ensure that your site has the minimum requirements to run WordPress and to install the WPRentals theme. I have such a domain here. I have only WordPress installed. For this domain I have checked and I have all theme server requirements. You will need to also go to settings, general, and here we recommend to check the WordPress address and site address. If you have an SSL certificate installed for your site and you have the link here with HTTPS, you will need to have the same for the WordPress address and the site address. Now you can proceed with the theme install. You can purchase the theme from ThemeForest and you will find the theme file in your buyer account in downloads section. For the download options, you can download only the WordPress files that can be directly installed in your site, or you can download all files and documentation, and you will have a zip that will include all files offered with the theme. I have already downloaded the theme on my device. I have downloaded all files and documentation, and in this case I will need to unzip this file to install the theme correctly. If you downloaded only the WordPress files, you can upload that zip file directly in your site. I unzipped the theme pack, and in the folder you will have the revolution sliders from our demos, you'll have demo images, you'll have the theme documentation, you'll have the theme included plugins, readme files, you'll have the WPRentals zip file that you need to install, and you'll have the file for the child theme. I will go back to my domain and I will install the WPRentals theme. I will go to Appearance, Themes, I will click Add Theme, Upload Theme, and I will select the WPRentals zip file from the theme pack. I will click Install Now and press Activate. The theme is installed, and the next step is to install the theme included plugins as well. I will click the button here, I will select all plugins and install. I will return to the plugins installer and activate the theme included plugins. The theme is now installed. I will go to dashboard, and the final step is to activate the theme by adding your license. You will need to add your ThemeForest username and your purchase code. You will find these details in your buyer account on ThemeForest. I will check the consent box and click Register License. The theme is now active. I will refresh the page, and now the theme install is complete. If you plan to translate the theme or make custom changes, we recommend to install the child theme as well. I will show the steps to do that. You'll need to go back to Appearance Themes, click Add Theme button, upload theme, and choose the child theme file from the theme pack. This is the one, and press Install Now. I will activate the child theme, and now the site is ready to be customized. You can continue with the demo import to have a good starting point, or you can start adding your content. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.